Earth satellites. Satellites are the objects which revolve around a comparatively much larger body, the planet or a star. In our solar system, each planet is a satellite of the Sun. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth, having a nearly circular orbit with an orbital time of revolution period of nearly 27.3 days, which is also nearly equal to the rotational period of the Moon about its own axis. Jupiter has more than 66 natural satellites called moons. Since all these satellites were made by nature or not artificial, therefore these are called natural satellites. Nowadays, many man-made satellites have been put in different orbits around the Earth. These satellites are called as artificial satellites. Orbital velocity of satellites. It is the minimum velocity of a satellite required to put the satellite into its orbit around the Earth. It can be calculated by the formula V0 is equal to square root of g RE square divided by RE plus h, where RE is the radius of the Earth and h is the height from the satellites to the Earth's surface. It suggests that orbital velocity of a satellite is independent of the mass m of satellite, depends upon the mass me, radius re, acceleration due to gravity g of the Earth around which the satellite is orbiting, depends upon the orbit of satellite or height of the satellite from the Earth's surface. If the satellite is orbiting very close to the surface of Earth, that is h is much less than re, then V0 is equal to square root of g re. It can be calculated for Earth as substituting the values of re and g. Then V0 is equal to 7.92 kilometers per second. It may be noted that the direction of orbital velocity of a satellite in its orbit around the Earth at any instant is along the tangent to the orbital path of the satellite. Time period of a satellite. It is the time taken by a satellite to complete orbit once around the Earth. Mathematically, T is equal to distance covered in one revolution or circumference of the orbit divided by orbital velocity. That is, T is equal to 2 pi divided by Re multiplied by square root Re plus h whole cube divided by g, where Re is the radius of the Earth and h is the height from the satellites to the Earth's surface and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Higher the satellite's orbit h, longer will be its time period t and vice versa. If h is much less Re, satellite's orbit is very close to the surface of Earth, then t is equal to 85 minutes. Thus, the time period of a satellite orbiting the Earth close to the Earth's surface is approximately 85 minutes. Height of a satellite. The time period t of a satellite depends upon the height h of the satellite. However, the time period of a satellite can be manipulated by adjusting the height of a satellite orbiting around the Earth. The height h of a satellite above the Earth's surface can be calculated by the formula. Total energy of a satellite. It is the sum of the potential energy and kinetic energy of a satellite which is revolving around the Earth in its orbit. That is, total energy of satellite is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy of satellite. T is equal to minus multiplication of GME m divided by 2 into Re plus h. The negative sign of total energy suggests that satellite is bounded to the Earth because of the gravitational pull. If the total energy or E is positive or 0, the satellite will escape to infinity beyond the Earth's gravitational pull. Since satellites, natural or artificial, are always at finite distance from the Earth, so their total energies can never be positive or 0. Geostationary satellites. Geostationary satellites are those satellites which orbit around the Earth in the equatorial plane with time period of rotation t is equal to 24 hours. The geostationary satellite is also known as geosynchronous satellite as its angular speed around its orbit is synchronized with the angular speed of the Earth about its axis. Such a synchronized motion of satellite with respect to the Earth makes the satellite appear fixed or stationary to an observer at any point on the Earth. Conditions that should be satisfied by a satellite to be geostationary. Revolution orbit is the circular orbit around the Earth in the equatorial plane. Orbital speed is 3.1 kilometers per second. Revolution direction is the same as that of the Earth about its axis from west to east anti-clockwise direction. Revolution period is the same as that of the Earth about its axis of rotation, that is exactly 24 hours. Height is approximately about 35,800 kilometers. Such fixed or stationary appearances of the geostationary satellites are explored by the mankind for the purposes of communication as they act as reflectors of suitable electromagnetic waves carrying the message. Due to the curvature of the Earth, long-distance communication beyond the line of sight is not possible through high-frequency radio waves. Television and mobile signals are operational at these high frequencies. Polar satellites. Those satellites which revolve around the Earth from one pole to another, that is polar orbits, are known as polar satellites. They go around the poles in north-south direction, whereas the Earth rotates around its axis of rotation in an east-west direction anti-clockwise. These are low-altitude satellites with height 500 kilometers to 800 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Weightlessness. Weight of a body is the force with which the Earth attracts it towards its center. When a person stands on a surface, he exerts a downward force on the surface due to its weight. Weight W is equal to mg. As a result, the surface exerts a reactional force on the person equal and opposite to the weight of the person, which keeps the person at rest. In case of availability of this reactional force, the person will feel the state of weightlessness. It can be achieved when any object falls freely, that is moving down with same acceleration due to gravity. The same principle holds good for the measurement of the weight of an object by mean of spring balance. The spring gets stretched and pulled down a little by the gravitational pull of the object or weight and holds the object to fall down. In this case, spring exerts an upward reactional force on the object equal and opposite to the weight of the object. Thus, weightlessness or an absence of weight is an absence of stress and strain resulting from externally applied mechanical contact forces, typically normal forces from floors, seats and beds, etc. The same phenomenon of weightlessness is encountered in a satellite which is orbiting around the Earth. Actually, the satellite orbiting around the Earth in its orbit has acceleration equal to the Earth's acceleration due to gravity at that position towards the center of the Earth. Therefore, inside the satellite each and everything is in the state of free fall only. Hence the objects inside the satellite or the astronaut present inside experience no gravity. Satellite and astronaut or any other object inside it is in the state of weightlessness because these are falling freely.